What's up, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. Today we're going to do a skin fade with a man bun. We're also going to do the beard as well. We're going to start off with our skin line using our T outliner, and we're going to start off at the temple area of the head, and we're going to work our way all the way around the head, making sure that that thing is nice and clean and completely skinned out. Now at this point, he just wanted to leave the top alone. You can see it's a man bun, and we're just going to go ahead and basically start our fade. We're going to be working our way from the biggest guard to the smallest guard. And we're pretty much going to do a guideline. This is our first guideline right here. We got the machine all the way open. Now you can do this with any machine, the machine of your choice, guys. Any machine that you guys have, you can follow these same exact steps. Now we're doing that all the way around the head, bringing it up about, I want to say, in half an inch. Just completing that guideline. Now you can see he has a little bit of gray hair, so it pretty much gives it a nice look to it. I love the way that looks as well. So it's kind of a salt and pepper look. Now right here we took our number 2 guard, and we're just going to bring it all the way to the top, to the crown of the head, because he does have that long hair and he pretty much wanted it a little higher than usual. So right here we drop down to our 1.5, flicking our wrist and fading into our number 2. Now as you get higher, guys, make sure that you're opening that lever to fade into that previous guard. So right here we drop down to our number 1. You can see we're doing shorter strokes, keeping our machine lower. We're not going as high as we used to, but when we go higher, you can see that I'm opening that lever to fade into the previous guard, guys. It's all about, making the clips fade into each other, guys. You got to make sure that they fade into each other. We're doing the same thing on this side, flicking the wrist and just giving it a nice blend. So we're going to drop down to our half guard and pretty much take out that first guideline that we did, that half. And again, shorter strokes. As we get higher, we're fading into that number 1 guard, and then we're going to completely skin out that fade and just make everything look nice. You know what I mean? Make it look nice and blended. So at this point of the haircut, there is no guard. I started with my machine closed all the way. Now you can see I'm just tapping that line, and as I get higher, I'm really playing with that lever, because where I want that machine to meet is where that guideline was. So as we get higher, we want to meet to where that guideline was. So as we open up our lever, we're going to be right there at that half an inch beginning guideline that we made. That's where we're stopping it, guys. All right, we're going to use a shaver just to make the fade pop a lot more. That's really going to bring out that blend and make it look really good. And then we're going to go ahead and start working on that beard to give him that complete look, guys. So right here, I'm just asking him, how does he want his headline? He pretty much told me that one of the barbers that he went to last brung it up way too high. That's what he's telling me right here in this clip. And pretty much, I like to ask my customers 2-3 times where they want it at, where they want. Even if I cut them 3-4 times, I still ask them the same question just to make sure. And I pretty much ask them, where do you want your headline? And he said, just keep it as low as possible. The last guy brought it up too high, so I can get an understanding of what he wants. You have to work with your clients, guys. So we're going to comb out the beard, and we're going to start with the outline through the jawline. And I'm just following the beard that he already had, making sure that that line was there, blending in the sideburns as well, so that I can fade into the fade haircut. You can see that nice blend on the fade haircut as well. It's just going to go, I love the way this haircut came out. It came out really complete. So I'm just using the T outline on the bottom of the head, shaving up the top. The real detail is going to come in when we use our straight razor. If you guys know me, I love to bring the detail out when we use our straight razor. Same thing over here, going on the outline, blending in the beard, and just pretty much making sure it looks clean, just like that fade. That fade looks really good. Then we're going to grab our straight razor, and we're going to get to work, guys. Making sure the bottom is clean. Make sure that neck is clean, guys. A lot of barbers mess that up, and the customer leaves with, hair on their neck, and you could pretty much get a bad review for something like that, guys. Shaping up that mustache, making sure it's where I want it to be, keeping it where he wants it at. Now we're going to grab some Easy Blade Shave Gel. You guys can grab that on our website, easybladeshavingproducts.com, along with an Easy Blade straight razor, and we also have Easy Blade double edge razors and a bunch of other products, guys. Now I'm using that straight razor, pulling that skin, angling my blade at a 30, and just sharpening that beard and getting it to exactly where I want it to be, guys. Putting some more Easy Blade shave gel on this side, just so that that blade can glide, guys. Now you can see that blade is really gliding, stretching that skin, and just stopping the blade exactly where I want it at. Using that shaver on the neck, didn't want to put the straight razor on his neck. Was worried about him bumping up. And this is pretty much what we have, guys. If you guys really enjoyed this video, I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, guys. This is what we have. Again, the man bun skin fade. I will talk to you guys soon. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com.